How to get drafts back after deleting TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to recover your lost drafts through TikTok support. First, open the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the TikTok homepage. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy from the options. Moving forward, scroll down to the Support and About section. Afterwards, tap on Report a Problem to access TikTok support options. In addition to that, tap on Creation from the list of problem categories. Once there, tap on Drafts to narrow down your issue. Subsequently, tap on Missing Drafts to see solutions for recovering deleted drafts. Moreover, if your problem is still not resolved, tap on No at the bottom. Afterwards, tap on Need More Help to contact TikTok support directly. Then you'll see a text bar where you can send a message to TikTok support regarding your issue. Within the text field, type in your problem clearly. For example, ask for help to recover your drafts from your previous account. Alternatively, mention when you deleted the app and how many drafts you had saved. Once you've written your message, tap the Send button at the bottom. Within 24 to 48 hours, wait for TikTok support to respond with instructions on recovering your drafts. And that's it. If this draft recovery guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and enable the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.